Hi, welcome to Mr. On's Perfect Circle, where we open the door for a genuine love for math. My name is Nick Lang, and I am the Assistant Director of High School Honors and AP Prep, and the teacher of this course. Mr. On's Perfect Circle, or MAPC for short, is where math lovers unite. Students who have either finished their grade-level MLC problem-solving math course, or have placed into MAPC by doing exceptionally well on their student evaluation, are recommended for this class. MAPC is the next step after MLC problem-solving math and advanced math applications. It is where students will not only be exposed to difficult question types, but also relearn how to solve the same problems, but in faster, more efficient ways. In this class, I teach a multi-dimensional approach to solving questions. Every class, we solve questions and go through the different ways that students can approach them. Our curriculum is based on math competition questions from the AMC 8 to the Continental Math League, and we even take some math competitions within class time in the spring. I think the best way for me to explain the difference between MAPC and MLC is by showing you a question. Let's use this question as an example. Joe buys a box of eggs. If he groups the eggs by threes, there is 1 remaining. If he groups the eggs by 4, there are 2 remaining. If he groups the eggs by 5, there are 3 remaining. If he groups the eggs by 6, there are 4 remaining. What is the least possible number of eggs in the box? In MLC, students will learn how to solve this question step by step. When the eggs are grouped by 4, there are 2 remaining. This means that the total number of eggs is even. When the eggs are grouped by 5, there are 3 remaining. This means that the total number of eggs must end in either a 3 or an 8, but since the total number of eggs is even, it has to end in an 8. When the eggs are grouped by 3, there is 1 remaining. Given the other clues, the total number is a multiple of 3 that ends in a 7, plus 1 to make it the 8. This makes the possibilities 28, 58, and 88. Now, when the eggs are grouped by 6, there are 4 remaining. We can test the 3 possibilities we were left with at the previous result to get an answer of 58. In MAPC, students will learn how to get straight to the answer quickly and efficiently. First of all, we can identify that each clue notes that the number of eggs is 2 eggs short of having a remainder of 0. So, we can find the least common multiple of 3, 4, 5, and 6, which would give a remainder of 0, and then subtract 2. The least common multiple is 60, and when we subtract 2, we get 58. So as you can see, while the first method is a lot more comprehensive and goes through each step one by one, the second method requires more math knowledge and goes straight to the answer. But eventually, students will need to know both methods in order to have a full understanding of the topic. In the end, this class is for students who love math. Students who don't mind spending hours on a math problem if it gets them to the right answer. Students who have a hunger for more challenging questions. If that sounds like your child, then this is the program for them. To get them started, sign up for a free student evaluation at mekreview.com/events. In order to get the full effect, please enroll in the full term of the course. We designed the curriculum for the full term, so when students miss out on even one lesson, they are missing out on a lot. However, at the same time, make sure you do not enroll your student in more than they can handle. Students need to have enough time to review what they've learned in class through homework and assignments in order to fully absorb what they are learning. The best solution is to have students spend as much time as they spend in class reviewing what they have learned in preparation for the next class. So, if a student spends 3 hours in class a week, that's how much time they'd need to spend outside of class reviewing what they have learned. I'm looking forward to seeing your student in the classroom. This is going to be a great summer.